Knew I should have checked the oven sooner. It's probably burnt.
I'm sure it's perfect.
Carly's my new boss. I want to make a good impression.
Jen, we've only been here for 2 weeks and you already scored us an invite to a neighborhood party. You're great.
Welcome!
Thank you so much for inviting us.
Yeah, Carly, we hear your game nights are legendary.
Oh, happy to have you. I remember when we were new to the neighborhood. This is a great way to meet people, and you can't beat the bunch in there. Come on in.
So was it the Cobb salad?
And I said, when did I eat corn?
Hey guys, this is Jen from work and her boyfriend Paul.
Hey guys, I'm Ted, the husband. Can I get you guys something to drink?
Wine would be great, thanks.
Hi, I'm Nicole.
I'm Margot, the ex is silent.
I'm Tyler, and this is Matt. We're so glad you guys are here. We've been needing some fresh blood.
It's true, we're all too good at reading each other at this point.
Well, we used to play game night back in Rhode Island all the time, and we got so good at the catchphrase words that the game would take us like 10 minutes. So.
Oh, it's fine. I'll just put in with the others and just keep to yourself what you brought.
Oh, it's great.
Are you taking it out?
Well, we got a new call.
Okay, well now that everyone is here, what should we play?
I think it's obvious.
Yeah, Nicole's right. How is this even a question?
How's what even a question?
What game we're playing?
No brainer, Margot. Baby bird!
Baby bird!
Baby Bird, we don't know that one.
Guys, we played Baby Bird last time and the time before. Let's mix it up.
What's Baby Bird?
Fine, then celebrity, I guess.
Oh yeah, we love that game. Jen's great at
Not
guessing.
celebrity. I can only mime the Fanta ladies so many times.
You know what other game involves guessing?
Pictionary?
I'm sorry, the correct answer would be Baby Bird.
You didn't answer in the form of a question, but I'll give you a point anyway. Ding ding!
Oh, more like tweet.
Guys, you have to excuse us. Why don't we start with something that they know, like celebrity or Pictionary?
No, we can try something new. We might not be great at first.
Jen's being too modest. Like, she's great at games and I catch on quickly.
Bird.
Baby bird. Baby bird. Baby bird. Baby bird. Baby bird. Baby bird. Baby bird. I want to go first. Wait, no. I want to go last.
Oh no, how about we be at the end so we can, like, you know, get the hang of it?
Oh, bold moves for your first time out. I like it. So, what is this game?
Baby bird. It's like telephone, but with food.
It's like what?
Oh, don't worry, we'll go slowly the first round. Okay, here's what happens. Ted takes a bite of something, but none of us know what it is. Then he chews it and feeds it to me just like I'm a baby bird.
Yeah, look like this.
Then I chew it, swirl it around, and then I feed the bite to Margot just like she's a baby bird. And then it goes down the line until the last person has to guess what kind of food it was. People always have the most hilarious guesses.
Oh God.
This is a real game you play?
Of course it is, silly. Now can we get started and play already? I'm baby birding for 2 over here.
All week, I live for this.
You know what? The easiest way to get it is just start playing. So why don't we do a practice round?
I'm not doing this.
Maybe we just don't understand it yet.
It's telephone, but with food? I think I got it.
I know, but I think we gotta give it a chance. I really like these guys and we need to make new friends.
Jen, we're last in line. You are dead last in line.
Hey everybody, close your eyes. Eyes open.
This one's tricky. I think I know some of the ingredients.
Oh yeah? Did a little bird tell you?
Our turn. Our turn. Our turn. I'm getting. Do I taste cinnamon?
I had gum before we started. It's throwing you off!
Mama! Do I taste ginger?
That's the candy I take for my morning sickness.
No! No!
Was it a burrito? Did I win?
Did you just fucking swallow?
Christ, after that had been in all of our mouths?
Not here, she has morning sickness.
I think I'm gonna be sick.
There is a trash can right there. The last person spits. We're not animals.
I think you should both leave. And yes, it was a burrito.
I couldn't let you do it.
I know. I love you for that. Thank you all so much, but we can't stay and play your fucked up game.
You're fucked up.
You can just keep that.